In this video, I will show you that how to add rulers and guides in Canva. As if you are familiar with the Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator or Adobe InDesign, you know guides. If you have worked with guides, so the guides are very necessary, mandatory in graphic designing, are very essential, because these guides can bring like professional alignments in your work, in your documents, in brochures, flyers, business cards, anything, whatever you are designing. So same thing in Canva, for instance, if you want to add these rulers and guides, so how you can add. So the first step, you can go to file, and here you can see settings and show rulers and guides. And there is also a keyboard shortcut key, you can see Shift+R. So you can see rulers will appear. So if you press Shift+R, now it will hide the rulers, and Shift+R will show the rulers as well. So show and hide both, you can use Shift+R keyboard shortcut key. So rulers has been added in the work here, and now guides you can add. So manually, for instance, you can you can see like from here, now this is on 10198 C101. This is horizontally I have created the guide. Then one more guide if we want to create here on 500, so you can see. Then if we want more guides, so we can add. Now vertically from the other side, you can see from here you can also add. See how easily we can add as much as we want. So guides as much as we want we can add, and these guides will bring like professional alignment in your work. So Shift+R you can use to show or hide rulers and guides. So thank you so much for watching this video, and we will continue our tips and tricks of Canva. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much once again.